Let me show y'all boys how to make some hot honey garlic steak and potatoes and rice with cheesy broccoli and Hawaiian rolls. Let me taste this bitch real quick.
Oh, this shit
So
nasty.
first you gotta start off by washing your hands, cause I know you probably been digging in your ass. Then you gotta find you a good movie to watch on Netflix on your kitchen TV. This right here was some bullshit if you ask me. Now get you a pound of steak bites. It should look good like this. You separate it in the motherfucking bowl. Get that thing looking pretty. Fuck yeah. Then you add some olive oil and some clover honey. You feel me? And then you get your little gravy master. Put that on there. Then you gonna get some paprika and some Cajun seasoning. Put that on there too. Then you get your little black pepper and put that on there too. Then you get your little onion powder and put that on there too. Then you get your little garlic powder and put it on that bitch too. Then you get you some accent salt and some hot sauce. Put that bitch on there too, nigga. Then you goddamn mix that bitch up, have it making macaroni noises like me and your girl in the bed. That shit should look raw like this. Then you get you some red potatoes. Then weigh you about a half a pound on there and wash them off real good. Then you gonna put you some more olive oil on there, some salt and some pepper and some Cajun seasoning on that thing. Then you get your little honey up on there and mix that up real good. Then you gonna put that in your air fryer on 390 for 25 minutes. Then you drop that steak in there, get to cooking that, have that looking raw like me. Then weigh up a half a pound of rice and wash that off, and then put some salt in the bowl with a pound of water. I ran out of the good rice, so we gonna use stove brine. Then once you brown your meat how you want it, put you some garlic in there with some butter, have that thing simmer. Then you take your potatoes out and mix it in there with all that good shit you got cooking. Ooh, that looking fire. Then you add your little bit more honey in there and mix that up too. Come on, man, check that out, man. Then you get your little bit more hot sauce and get you some broccoli in the pot going. Put some salt, pepper, and butter in that too. Then you get you some Hawaiian Rolls, butter them up real good, and put them in the air fryer on 300 for 5 minutes. That shit should look raw like this when you done with everything. Then put your little cheese on the broccoli when you put everything on the plate. That bitch should look raw like this. On everything, let's do a taste test.
Oh, this shit nasty.